Alabama's most expensive home is a massive $10.5 million lakefront mansion, a landmark lake estate sited on a private peninsula with built-in boathouse has been back on the market for $10.5 million in Alexander City, Alabama. While the Yellowhammer State might be known for the U.S. Space and Rocket Center, a very famous song bearing its name, the region also has surprisingly impressive real estate listings. Clocking in at 15,600 square feet, this property has a palatial pool, dock access, and 10 bedrooms. And with ultra-high ceilings and sun-drenched windows, this pad feels undeniably fancy. Likely the most iconic and talked about home on Lake Martin, this one-of-a-kind family estate offers 3 magnificent lots with fabulous views over the lake. The 3-story structure has an elaborate entry with a winding staircase leading up to an area that overlooks the main floor below. Lake elegance throughout, with 8 lavish suites on the upper level and 2 above the boathouse. The main kitchen features luxe appliances, a dining area, and a large fireplace. It sits close to the formal dining room, which is surrounded by windows to allow diners to partake in lake views while enjoying a meal. Most of the rooms in the home have lake views, and the house sits on more than 1,100 feet of shoreline. This luxury estate offers a spacious bar room, fitness room, oversized hot tub, and an oversized freshwater pool with views spanning 180 degrees. A commercial-sized elevator shuttles residents between the home's 3 floors, and there's a 4-car garage for storage. Outside, you'll find a large pool and outdoor patio area with plenty of space, all designed to enjoy the lake views. The detached boathouse can easily accommodate 2 large boats and has living quarters above it. For aquatic-minded buyers, there's another dock plus a boat ramp. The asking price represents a $2.6 million increase on the price tag on the home when it was listed in August 2020 for $7.9 million. The mansion was originally built for disgraced Health South Corporation founder Richard Scrushy.